Hi, this is David Saddlemeyer from Century 21 Liberty, and you're going to really appreciate this grand renovation located at 2008 Lakemeadow Drive in Fayetteville, North Carolina, close to Fort Bragg, and also located in the very popular Jack Britt High School District. For more information on this or any home for sale in town, visit my website, davidhomesforsale.nc.com. It's number 4, or you can subscribe to the YouTube channel you're currently watching. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Fresh paint inside and out. Architectural shingles on the roof. Fresh landscaping. Big front porch. There's gutters as well. And we'll step inside into this living dining room combination. And all the flooring is brand new. This is luxury vinyl plank. It really stands out. And I also like how this big brick fireplace pops with the brick having been painted. And next is the kitchen. You're gonna love it. Got a breakfast nook here and a pantry cabinet in the corner. And everything is brand new in this kitchen. Let's take a closer look. Some really pretty granite and tile mosaic backsplash. Four stainless steel appliances. And here's the other side of the kitchen. And next is the laundry room with a brand new hot water heater. And then you have this addition, which is heated and cooled. So lots of potential for what you could use this for. And I'll show you from this corner, it has 2 closets. Let's take a look at the backyard. It's fenced in with a patio. And there's gutters on the back of the house as well. Down the hallway, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. And the bathrooms are pretty much all brand new. Starting with the vanity. And this awesome tile work above the tub. And there's the vanity again. Matching the kitchen. First bedroom. Here's the second one. And this is the master. And it has a small walk-in closet over there in that corner. And take a look at the master bath. Wow, tiled shower. Look at this. And a matching attractive vanity here as well. Thanks for watching the tour. You can give me a call, 910-723-8888. to see this or any home for sale in town, or to list your property for sale. Check back soon for more videos on my channel. And I hope you enjoyed the tour.